A cuboid, unlike a cube, has 6 rectangular faces. A cube has 6 square faces. And we know that the area of a rectangle is length times width. If so, then the area of a rectangle I beg your pardon, EFGH is XY, where X and Y are width and length respectively. Y is the width, I beg your pardon, and X is the length. ABCD is the triangle at the top. A, B, C, is the rectangle at the top. ABCD. The area of this rectangle is also XY. The area is also XY. So we're going to have EFGH is equals to XY, and ABCD is also equals to XY. Moving on, we also have a rectangle BCFG. BCFG. This is F over here, and this is G over here. BCFG. The area of this rectangle is going to be XZ, and it is the same thing as ADEH. This rectangle and this rectangle look alike. The faces are equal. So going further, we will write BCFG is equals to XZ, and ADEH is also equals to XZ. Finally, we have the base and the top rectangles. The base rectangle is FGEH, or let's say EFGH. The side triangles, the triangle at the side, ABEF. Is YZ. and CDGH is also equals to YZ. Okay, now combining the 6 faces. Combining the 6 faces, now you're gonna have ABCD plus EFGH plus BCFG plus ADEH plus ABEF plus CDGH. So there you have it, 6 faces. That is ABCD and EFGH are each XY. So it's gonna be XY plus XY plus XZ plus XZ plus YZ plus YZ there should be 2XY plus 2XZ plus 2YZ now factorize. You end up with 2 into XY plus XZ plus YZ square units. This is the formula for calculating the surface area of a cuboid. Next, we'll look at diagonal. The diagonal is the line bisecting B and H. This is B and this is H. So the diagonal should be the line going down to this point. That's a rough sketch, sorry, but just to get a picture. And the diagonal is given by BH is equals to x square plus y square plus z square, square all under is big square root. Now the volume is base area times height. The base area is the area of the rectangle ABC. Volume is base area times height. Now the base area is the area of rectangle, the base rectangle, which is EFGH. This is the base rectangle and is equals to XY. The height, on the other hand, or we can say base area is equals to XY. The height, on the other hand, is Z. The height is Z. This is the height of the cuboid, Z. So combining the two, we'll have a volume is equals to XY times Z, which is the same thing as XYZ. The volume of a cuboid is therefore XYZ. Now let's go on and look at a couple of practice problems. Here is one. A cuboid has length 7 cm, width 5 cm, and height 4 cm. Calculate surface area, length of diagonal, and volume. Starting with surface area, we will have the formula surface area two into XY plus XZ plus YZ. This is the formula for calculating the surface area. X is the length and is equal to 5. Y is the width or breadth and is equal to 7. Z is the height or depth and it is equal to, as given in the diagram here, is equal to 4. Now substitute these values in the formula. So we're going to have a surface area is equals to 2 into 5 times 7 plus 5 times 4 plus 7 times 4, which will then translate to 5 times 7 is 35 plus 5 times 4 is 20 plus 7 times 4 is 28. Our final answer will be 166 centimeters square. That's it. Next, we calculate the length of diagonal. Length of diagonal. The length of diagonal L is given by the formula x squared plus y squared plus z squared, all under a square root. Then we identify the parameters. The parameters are the same. X equals to 5 centimeters. Y equals to 7 centimeters. And Z is equals to 4 centimeters. Substitute these into the formula. There should be 5 squared plus 7 squared plus 4 squared. Five squared is 25. 7 squared is 49. 4 squared is 16. Which becomes 90. .5 approximately centimeters square. Finally, the volume. The volume. V is equals to X, Y, Z. As usual, the parameters are the same. X is 5, Y is 7, and Z is 4. So let's go ahead and substitute. V is equals to 5 times 7 times 4. That gives 140 centimeters cube. If you are dealing with volume, your final answer should be in centimeters cube. If you are dealing with area, your final answer should be in centimeter square.